Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by treating the vulnerability scan as actionable data. Run npm audit JSON and inspect high and critical entries, then run npm audit fix to apply SemverSafe upgrades immediately. Once done, commit package lock, JSON, or create an npm shrink-wrap. JSON so your CI uses the same dependency graph. Make sure to run your unit tests and basic smoke tests right after automated fixes to catch regressions early. This avoids chasing transient failures while you proceed to deeper dependency resolution. Now you handle upgrades that need judgment. For direct dependencies with breaking changes, increment package, JSON versions, and run npm install. For transitive issues, try npm update and targeted installs like npm install law-at 4, 17, 21. If npm audit fix force is necessary, gate it behind test runs because it may introduce breaking changes. Once done, use package lock overrides or npm force resolutions to pin transitive fixes. Then run your full test suite and integration checks to validate. Finish by locking and deploying a validated state. Commit the updated lock file, tag the release, and let CI run a final pipeline that blocks unsafe merges. After deployment, enable continuous monitoring and scheduled npm audits so you catch new vulnerabilities quickly. If something goes wrong, revert to the previous lock file, run a git bisect across dependency or package. JSON changes and reproduce the failure locally. This targeted rollback is the fastest way to restore a working build while you craft a safe fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.